Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your standard portable inflator just didn't have the lungs to handle your truck tires? Or worse, you needed a powerful air blast and only had a weak factory horn? Whether you're out on the trail needing to air up fast or working on a job site with pneumatic tools, relying on small, weak compressors is a major bottleneck that wastes your time and leaves you underpowered. The medium-duty onboard air system is the heavy-duty solution that turns your vehicle into a mobile power station. Featuring a high-output 150 PSI compressor paired with a 2.5-gallon air tank, this kit provides the constant, reliable pressure you need for tire inflation, air lockers, and especially for powering those massive train horns. I recently installed this system on my own rig, and the performance is night and day. It fills the tank in minutes and holds enough volume to seat a tire bead or blast a horn without the compressor constantly cycling. The analysis is simple. By integrating a dedicated reservoir tank with a rugged 12-volt motor, you're getting industrial-level air capacity in a compact package that's built to survive the elements. It's a versatile, all-in-one upgrade that adds serious utility and safety to any truck or SUV. Stop settling for low-pressure toys and get the air power your vehicle deserves. Click the link in the description right now to add to cart and lock in our exclusive special promotion. You can also make a direct purchase through the description section to get your onboard air system shipped today.